Welcome back to Luxury Motors Review. Many Americans buy a BMW thinking they're getting the perfect mix of luxury, performance, and status. And for the first year or two, that feeling is absolutely real. The car feels fast, sharp, and exciting. The interior looks premium, and driving it feels special. But something interesting happens after a few years of ownership in the United States, and it's something most reviews don't talk about. A growing number of BMW owners quietly start to regret their decision, not because the car suddenly becomes bad, but because the ownership experience changes in ways they didn't expect. In the U.S. market, many BMWs are purchased through leases or short-term ownership plans, which hides the long-term reality. During the warranty period, most problems are covered, and the ownership experience feels smooth. But once that warranty ends, the real cost of owning a BMW starts to appear. Repairs become more frequent, maintenance becomes more expensive, and small issues that once felt minor begin to add up both financially and mentally. For many American owners, this is the moment where excitement turns into frustration. One of the biggest reasons for regret is maintenance cost. In the United States, labor rates at BMW dealerships are high, and parts are not cheap. Even routine services can feel expensive compared to other luxury brands. As mileage increases, things like suspension components, electronic systems, and engine-related parts can require attention. These aren't always catastrophic failures, but they are costly enough to make owners question whether the driving excitement is worth the stress. For people who rely on their car daily, unexpected repair bills quickly take away the joy of ownership. Another issue that many owners mention is reliability over time. BMW vehicles are engineered for performance, and that performance-focused design often means tighter tolerances and more complex systems. While this delivers an engaging driving experience, it also increases the chances of something going wrong as the car ages. In the U.S. market, where people expect their cars to last well beyond 100,000 miles, this becomes a serious concern. Owners who plan to keep their BMW for the long term often realize that the cost and effort required to do so is higher than they anticipated. Depreciation is another silent regret factor. BMWs tend to lose value faster than many buyers expect, especially compared to brands like Lexus. In the American market, where trade-ins and resale are common, this can be painful. A car that felt like a smart luxury purchase at the beginning can turn into a financial loss when it's time to sell. Many owners only realize this when they see how much value their BMW has lost in just a few years. Technology, which initially feels like a strong point, can also contribute to regret. BMW often introduces new tech features quickly, which makes the cars feel modern and advanced at launch. However, as software ages and updates slow down, some systems begin to feel outdated or glitchy. Touchscreens, driver assistance features, and infotainment systems can develop issues that are expensive to fix once the warranty is gone. For owners who expected luxury to mean simplicity and ease, dealing with software problems feels disappointing. Comfort is another area where expectations and reality sometimes clash. BMW prioritizes sporty handling, which can result in a firmer ride, especially on American roads that aren't always smooth. Over time, what once felt exciting can start to feel tiring, particularly for families or long-distance commuters. Owners who originally loved the aggressive driving feel may later wish they had chosen something more relaxed and comfortable for everyday use. It's important to say that not every BMW owner regrets their purchase. Enthusiasts who value driving performance above everything else often remain loyal to the brand. Drivers who lease frequently or switch cars every few years may never experience these long-term issues. For them, BMW still delivers exactly what they want. But the regret tends to appear among buyers who plan to keep their car longer, reduce ownership stress, and enjoy luxury without constant attention. In recent years, American buying behavior has shifted. People are thinking more carefully about long-term value, reliability, and cost of ownership. Luxury is no longer just about how a car feels on day one, but how it fits into real life over many years.
This shift is why many buyers who once chose BMW without hesitation are now reconsidering their options. They want luxury that feels dependable, predictable, and easy to live with. This is also why comparisons between BMW and Lexus have become more common. Lexus has built a reputation in the US for reliability, lower maintenance costs, and long-term satisfaction. For buyers who have experienced BMW regret, this difference becomes very clear. They realize that excitement fades, but repair bills and depreciation don't. Peace of mind, on the other hand, grows more valuable over time. When American owners talk about regret, it's rarely emotional or dramatic. It's practical. It's about time spent at service centers, money spent on repairs, and the stress of wondering what might go wrong next. These are things no one thinks about during a test drive, but they matter deeply during ownership. For many people, this realization comes too late. So, when you hear that some Americans regret buying BMW after a few years, it's not because BMW makes bad cars, it's because BMW makes cars that demand more from their owners. For the right buyer, that demand is worth it. But for many others, especially those who want stress-free luxury, that becomes a burden. In today's market, where smart buyers value long-term satisfaction over short-term excitement, that difference matters more than ever. If you're considering a luxury car in the United States, the smartest decision isn't about choosing the most exciting option. It's about choosing the one that fits your life 5 years from now. And for many American buyers, that realization is what leads to regret and ultimately to a different choice the next time around.